Good morning, students. Today's class is Microbes in Human Welfare. We are going to learn about various microbes which are useful to us in diverse ways in our lives. Microbes are the major components of biological systems on this earth. They are the minutest forms which cannot be visible with the naked eye. They are present everywhere. You find them in soil, water, air, inside our bodies, other animals and plants. They are omnipresent. You can find microbes even in places where no life form could possibly exist. They are seen in deep inside the geysers, which have as high as 140 degrees centigrade of temperature, or you can also find them under the layers of snow or in highly acidic environments. There are different forms of microbes like protozoa, bacteria, fungi, microscopic viruses, virions and prions. We have already learned about the differences between viruses, virions and prions in first year. Prions are nothing but proteinaceous parts of viruses. These microbes grow on nutritive media to form colonies which can be seen with the naked eye. Such cultures of microbes are useful to study the microorganisms. Microbes are useful to human beings in diverse ways. We are going to learn about microbes in household products. In our daily life, in our houses, how are microbes useful? We are going to learn that today. The most common example is the simple production of curd from milk, which all families in India do. How the milk is converted into curd. Microorganisms such as lactobacillus and others, which are also commonly called as lactic acid bacteria, grow in milk and convert it into curd. During the growth, this lactic acid bacillus produce acids which will coagulate and partially digest the milk proteins, resulting in the formation of curd or yogurt. Curd or yogurt has nutritional qualities with increased vitamin B12. In our gut, that is the stomach, lactic acid bacteria plays a very beneficial role in checking the disease causing microbes. What is probiotics? These are nothing but the friendly bacteria used for therapeutic purposes and for the betterment of human health. You get probiotics in the market in the form of different uh, brand names. The dough which is used for making food like idli, dosa is also fermented by bacteria. This puffed up appearance of the dough is due to the production of carbon dioxide gas. The bread making process is also because of the fermentation using baker's yeast, commonly called as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. A number of traditional drinks and foods are also made by fermentation by the microbes. A traditional drink in some parts of South India, which is made by fermenting sap from palms, is called as toddy. Microbes are also used to ferment fish, soya bean or bamboo shoots to make foods. One of the most important uses of microbes is in the making of cheese, which is the oldest food item. Different varieties of cheese are known because of their characteristic texture, flavor, taste, and the specificity coming from the microbes used. The large holes present in the Swiss cheese are due to the production of large amount of carbon dioxide by a bacteria named Propionibacterium shermani. The Roquefort cheese is ripened by growing a specific fungi, Penicillium roqueforti, and Camembert cheese is ripened by growing Penicillium camemberti, which gives it a particular flavor.